Hello, good evening, math tutorials. Let us have factoring of binomials. Binomials because it has only two terms. So for x plus 12, we get the greatest common factor of 4x and 12. So the greatest common factor is 4. So let us divide that with 4x. 4x divided by 4 is x. Now, factor, the greatest common factor. So then we have x plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this is the answer. Then we have the greatest common factor of 2x squared minus 12x is 2. 2x. So this is the greatest common factor. Divide that with 2x squared divided by 2x is x. The sign is negative. 12x divided by 2x, you cancel 2x, so it becomes 12 divided by 2 only. So we have 6. So this is the factors of 2x squared minus 12x. Then we have 3x cubed minus 9x squared. So the greatest common factor of 3x cubed and minus 9x is 9x squared is 3x squared. So we can get here 3x squared. So let us divide 3x cubed divided by 3x squared is x. Then 9x squared divided by 3x squared is, we cancel the x squared, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. This is the answer. Thank you for